So if you're having issues with your Fxpro Direct app, maybe the app keeps on stopping or it can't open or keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot this app and then fix any problem related to the app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot your app. In the first method, we shall need to access the app information page to troubleshoot it. For this, there are two ways you can access the app information page. In the first method, you need to go to settings, and then from settings, look for the option called apps. If you scroll down, you'll see we have apps here. So if I go ahead and tap on apps, look for this option called manage apps, tap on it. From this, you will be able to see all your apps on your smartphone. Now scroll through the list until you see your app. So you can see my Fxpro app is here. So I'll go ahead and tap on it. And then now I am on the app information page. So if you're finding it hard to get to this page, then let me show you the shortest and straightforward method to get here. For that, just go and look for your app. And here's the app. And then all you need to do is to go ahead and long press on it. And once you long press on it, you can see now we have here app information. So if you tap on the app info here, it will still take you to the same page. From here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I tap on storage for this app, you can see under the user data and cache, we have a lot of files, and accumulation of these files might be the reason why your app is misbehaving or malfunctioning. So the first thing you need to do is to clear cache data. The cache files are usually small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it to enhance your user experience. However, whenever these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. So to fix this, go ahead and tap on clear data, and then we shall go ahead and clear cache. So I'll tap on this and then tap on OK, and our cache data has been cleared. From here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and at this point now your app should be up and running without any problem. So that is the first method you can use to fix this. So however, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and clear all data. By clearing all data, you'll be logged out and you'll have to log in afresh in your app. And by doing so, this will be able to fix most of the problems that were persistent. So if the two methods didn't work, then let me show you the third and final method that you should use to fix this problem. For that, we need to access the Google Play Store. So I'll go ahead and tap on Google Play Store and then look for my app, and here is our app. So if I go ahead and tap on it, look for any option called update. Now you can see we have an update for this app. So by this, it means we have been using an outdated app, and that is one of the main reasons why this app is malfunctioning. Now by updating your app to the latest version, it will be able to fix all security issues and bugs that are associated with the older version of Fxpro app. So I'll go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of this Fxpro app on my smartphone and then install it. And as you can see here, the installation process is going on, and once it is done, now we have our latest Fxpro app. So this comes with the latest features, and now you can proceed from here. Go ahead and tap on it to open and start using it. So by following any of the three methods, you should be able to fix any problem associated with your Fxpro app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and also like this video. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.